Samsung Galaxy A11. Samsung Galaxy A11 is a lower mid-range cell phone that comes with a flawless design. It has a decent display panel along with waterdrop notch finish. The device offers strong spec sheet around this price range. It has massive storage in terms of both internal and external storage. The battery carries good capacity but lacks the fast charging feature, which can be counted as a drawback. Lower mid-range smartphone by Samsung display and camera. Samsung Galaxy A11 comes with 6.2-inch IPS LCD display with a bezel-less waterdrop notch finish. The display has a screen resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels along with a pixel density of 271 ppi. On the camera front, Samsung Galaxy A11 has a 13MP and a 5MP dual primary lenses that delivers images with a resolution of 4128 by 3096 pixels. At the camera front, it has an 8MP front camera. The users can click great selfies and make video calls with the help of this front camera. Configuration and battery. Samsung Galaxy A11 is powered by a Samsung Exynos 7-octa 7904 chipset. The device is well equipped with octa-core Cortex A73 processor that runs at a clock speed of 1.8 GHz. For graphics, it depends on a Mali G71MP2 GPU. There is a 3 GB RAM to maintain the smooth flow of apps. It derives power from a 4000 mAh capacity Li-ion cell to keep the cell phone running for a long time. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A11 has an internal storage capacity of 32 GB so the users can store their files and data. The storage can be expanded up to 512 GB. For connectivity, it offers a wide variety of features including 4G, 3G, 2G, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type-C, etc. Samsung Galaxy A11 price. Samsung Galaxy A11 price is expected to be $148.67, 10,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A11 expected to be launched on March 28, 2020. This is 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy A11 which is expected to available in black, blue, red color. For more updates subscribe and share this video.